Kim from Milling About. Today we're going to talk about our Fireball Suppression, Fire Suppression System.
Fireball.
Yep. So when we went to the RV show in March, we decided that the main reason that we were actually going, we wanted to look at a lot of the different RVs and stuff. I mean, we weren't in the market for an RV, but this was the main thing that I wanted. We had seen it last year, and I had thought that it was a really good invention. So the one question that I did have was whether or not heat was the thing that set it off, or if it was fire that set it off. So we were able to talk to the lady. I'll put her information down below, and we were able to talk about what sets it off, how it works and everything. So the only thing that will actually set it off is a flame. There is a fuse inside of the box. So she was talking about that some people keep it in the box like this with just the top cut off so that they can grab it and throw it into a fire if they have it like in a vehicle or something. But other people have it hanging on the wall. You can take a look over there. We've got it in the kitchen, hanging on the wall.
So here is by our oven, stove, and microwave, and fridge. And we have that hanging just on the command hook in the corner, just kind of there out of the way. That way if we do have some kind of flames from the oven or stove, it'll take care of it right there.
So they have two different sizes. They have the small size and the larger size. When we went last year, they only had the larger size, and they told us that they would have the smaller size this coming year. So that was the main reason we went, was so that we could get the smaller size, because the smaller size will actually fit inside the back of your refrigerator. The three places that we've heard that is the most common places to have a fire in an RV is the kitchen, obviously, even in houses, the back of the refrigerator, and where you have your batteries. So the three that we got, we put one in the kitchen, we put one up by our batteries, and this one we're going to put in the back of the refrigerator. So it's just a nice small size. We got just the original packaging. They do have different ones that are decorative, so you can have ones that are covered in moss. They had a Star Wars one. I think they had a, so they've got some different ones here that, can you see those?
Not really.
Okay, so the box actually shows some different ones in here. The box itself includes one fire extinguisher ball, one wall ceiling mounting bracket, one glow-in-the-dark sign, so that if you can't find it in the dark or something, we're not really going to grab these and throw these at the fire because we're putting them where we want them to be. A user manual and your warranty and use agreement. So you've got all of those different things that are in there. They say not to put it anywhere that is going to melt the plastic and stuff. So when we're putting it behind the refrigerator, we're making sure that this plastic part is not up against those really hot pipes. We're putting it down so that it's not going to be touching that stuff. So you've got a lot of different things that you can use for them. So we've watched some videos of it and we're really impressed with it. A lot of times the videos will show like a dumpster on fire, they'll throw in the ball. The fuse catches and it explodes, and it explodes a powder that they said is really, really easy to vacuum up and everything. It's not toxic or anything, but it puts out the fire right away. So it kind of goes over the 4 different types of fire, and they claim that it is able to cover all 4 types of fire using all 4 types of suppression. So I'm impressed with it. It was invented by a firefighter. He has since left the company to go on to invent other fire suppression technology for other types of industries. So so he's not with the company anymore, but I think he actually is with the company, but not doing the shows and all of that stuff. Yeah. So yeah, we'll go ahead and show you where we're going to put this one in the back of our refrigerator.
And real quick, what would be the shelf life of one of those?
Like, 15 years. It's on the box.
15 years.
So it has a 5-year manufacturer warranty and a 15-year product life. and it is waterproof. You can use it indoors and outdoors. So you've got all of the information here on the box as well. So, and it's, so if you start picking off all of this stuff on here, that will void the warranty because it will expose the actual fuse in here. So, but it's supposed to last a really long time. I'm hoping that we'll never ever have to use it, but it's better to have it and not use it than to not have it and not need and then need it. So, all right, we're gonna go ahead and put it out there.
And it's also great for parties if you toss it in your neighbor's fire pit.
Don't do that.
So if you want to go that route.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and take it outside, and we've got our zip tie and our scissors.
Very
and our
high,
Fireball.
very high tech.
Yes, very high tech. All right, come on out. So we did put one in the front cap here. Mike will show you that one.
Front cap area where you would store your batteries. So here is our battery. Don't mind the boots. Basically just zip tied it up there. Just wrap the zip tie around the frame. So it's nice and secure up there. It's not going to flop around, bang against things, and you're all set.
Okay.
It's very bright out here.
Okay. So.
Very bright.
Ow. Try not to bash your knees on anything back here. We went ahead and took off the back panel here, and
these are your refrigerator panels in the back of the RV.
So we're going to put it down here in this area here.
Where is that hot pipe?
So this is a hot pipe right here, and this is really hot right here. So what we're going to do, I don't know if you can see it in there. You might have to come to this side over here.
Oh, or we could switch and I will actually mount it.
You don't trust me to mount it?
Nope.
Okay, so we'll go ahead and hand this off to Mike.
We're going to mount that right there on the bottom, away from that hot pipe. We're going to hand this over to Kim.
Okay, I'll take this. He'll take these.
Take these.
All right, so Mike is going to go ahead and install this because he doesn't trust me. So we're taking it back there.
Wrap it around this metal bracket here, just through the loop. And this loop swivels too, so you can swivel it whatever angle you want. There. So we can swivel this. There we go.
Just a matter of zip tying it back there.
And that should be fine. Could actually flatten that a little bit. Yeah. There we go. Okay. Of course, it's gonna swing around like that.
But it should be fine, even if it's
fine.
swinging around.
Yep.
We're pretty stationary, so.
For now.
Hardest part is getting the zip tie cut.
Yes.
With dull scissors. There we go.
There we go.
Okay, so it's all attached in there. It's not
Beautiful.
attached to the hot pipe, but to the bracket above it.
Yep. A little warm back there, but not enough to melt the plastic. So there you go.
Okay, so that's our installation of those fireballs. I'll put all of the information down in the information down below. If you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe to us, like us, and we've got a lot of other informational videos on our